Hey guys, so it's the day before they're going to be pouring my concrete in the 40 by 80 pole barn. They're doing half of it. So this is how it's going to be set up. They dug here and made sure my tubes didn't get nailed, and put up the screed boards, and then they used expanded fireboard expansion joint right there on each post, and they're just using my styrofoam along the wall. So they're going to be pouring this section, and this is about 37 feet by 40, and then they're going to come back the next day and pour the rest. But how they're going to join it is they're using this this keyway, I guess you can call it keyway. It looks like a hat channel. But what that's going to do is they'll pour it, and then they'll remove the board, and then the new slab will come in this side and fill that keyway in and essentially connect the two pours. So should be pretty good. And about right here is halfway, so I'm sure there's going to be a saw cut, because I'm going to get saw cuts instead. But yeah, so it's all ready for the pour tomorrow. It'll be good. I'll give you guys an update on it tomorrow with them being done. Very reasonable price. I mean, I think I'm paying a ridiculous amount, about $4 a square foot, that's 3,500 pound fiber cement and troweling and everything. So yeah, it's going to wind up pretty good, and going to make a huge difference. The next day, and they poured half of this already, so it's looking good. They decided to go with trowel finish. I didn't do their power trowel over there, because since I'm going to be grinding this down for my epoxy, I wanted there's no point for them to power trowel it to a smooth finish, because then that'll be more time for me to grind. So now with this finish, it's flat, it's level and everything, but it'll be great. So it'll be easy for me to run the grinder over it, and I'll be able to get it nice and pores, get the pores open at concrete so it accepts the epoxy. So yeah, it turned out pretty good. You know, lines are fine. He could have got a polished finish on it if you use that power trowel, but there's really no point. So tomorrow they're coming to do the rest of this, and then I will have it done. I got a leak over here, so I had to put plastic up because it's going to be doing about 2 inches of rainfall. So I didn't want to crawl up there and fix the leak, because it's under warranty, and also if I crawl up there and I develop another leak, then I'm kind of screwed, you know, because then at least I know where this leak is. But here's my drains. Make sure that use the blue painter's tape over them so that it doesn't get gunked up, and then where slots around the side, use blue painter tape too, because then that way you can pop the grate off if that gets filled up with concrete. That little box right there, then the grate's not going to come out. So yeah, just getting ready for prep. There's my pipe for the sink and everything, and then there's my condensate pipe for my boiler. And yeah, so I did some electrical already. All the boxes, I have a ton of boxes. I'll do a video on that. That's for my jack shaft openers when they go up there. They cut the control joints, saw cuts in really quick to prevent the cracking. There's my my drains. Those work good. So there's the control joints. So yeah, very pleased with how it turned out. All these joints are going to be filled with epoxy primer so that I can put my floor on it. My electrical, that's all gonna be hitting the walls, but did all that. But yeah, I mean, it sucked because I got this poor floor, and then it was raining, and then so then I have some little water marks from where the roof leaked on it, but it's getting ground down, so it's gonna be fine. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. Kind of dirty in here right now, but I got my pipes, got box up, and then it's gonna be good. So give you more updates later. See ya.